Hello everyone, Browse and Fitness 794 here. Yes, I'm not dead. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a bit. I've just been a little bit stuck on what to record. And trying to, be careful of my storage space, because I've only got like 9 gigabytes left. But in the meantime, I am going to do a video a bit later. But for now, look at these cute little birds. Mum called me from my window because it's open before, and this, well, not all of them, but this little puffy one in the front that just turned around was literally almost in Mum's hand. Of course, they're hungry for bread, but, well, Mum's got a friend over and I can't actually go out, but look at them! They're just so flippin' adorable! Wild birds, I mean, I've always loved birds. They're just so cute. Just look at them. It's just like, please give us food. We're hungry. It's just like, no. And I always think birds look cuter when they're wet. No pun intended. But they're just so cute. I might probably zoom in, but I'll just drop the phone and get in the phone. But look at these three. They're tame as heck. Usually, everyone those wild birds will just fly away when you try and close them. But look at them. They're just so cute. I've always been a sucker for cuteness. But yes, I will upload videos soon. But thank you guys for being patient and thanks for the support. Anyway, I'll shut up so we can look at these little cuties. One more thing though. In regards to my Glenbrook Vintage Railway route and my Tennessee Valley Railroad route, I'm going to get back on those soon, but I guess the main reason I haven't really uploaded for a bit is because I'm sort of biding my time, because I'm actually getting a new computer built, a supercomputer, so I can play Trains 2019 how I want to. So, yeah, I'm still going to do a video a bit later, but just be patient, guys. I am still going to do the idea for remaking the episode Fogman and doing the music video. It's going to be a great day, because that's one of my favourite songs and actually one of my favourite episodes of Thomas. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little clip. Well, I was not a clip or whatever, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. They're so innocent. Just staring at me like, where is our food? Excuse me. Oh, well, never mind. Can't say him. Alright, I think that's enough cuteness for now. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace, Browse and Fairness, out.